Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This property has the wow factor. Modern, spacious open floor plan. 2 homes within 1 villa. Excellent potential. Plenty of space for extended family. First level has 3 bedrooms and upper level has 2 huge bedrooms. Located in Culloden Beach Village. Beautiful private beach, few steps away. Gorgeous sea view from your large balconies. 2-car garage, laundry and helpers quarters. This is definitely a gem. The land area of this property is 14,300 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this gem. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US $599,000 or Jamaican $92.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.